Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying DTI access and that you have edit rights. Without them, you cannot apply codes. Next, open the item or object editor where DOL codes are accepted and find the specific input field labeled DOL code or code. Once located, paste the exact code string. Make sure capitalization, hyphens, and spaces match. After pasting, don't submit yet. Pause to check that the target object is selected, so the code will apply to the correct DOL or asset. Now you apply the DOL code using the editor's run or apply control. This triggers DTI to parse and implement the modifications. While it runs, monitor the preview pane for immediate visual confirmation or any red error messages. If the preview updates correctly, proceed to inspect attributes like scale, texture, and animation bindings. If an error appears, do not panic. Copy the exact error text and note which line or parameter caused it so you can correct syntax, or finish by saving the item or scene so the DOL code becomes persistent. Unsaved changes will be lost. Then run a live test in play mode or a separate scene to ensure animations, collisions, and behaviors act as intended. If something breaks, first reload the editor without saving, repaste the original code, and reapply to rule out transient glitches. Key troubleshooting tip: if persistent errors occur, check for missing assets, mismatched version ID, or permission blocks. Those are the most common underlying causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.